Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation Level at Islamabad campus. And today I am going to review the TEDx talk "What Make You Special" by Marina Tonic. So this is very inspiring talk about confidence, definitely, and believing in yourself. Marina Atanoke share her personal life story and explain that every person you she remind us that we don't have to be like everyone else to be successful. One of the most important message from this talk is your inquiry is your strength. Many people try to fit in because they are afraid to being different. However, Myrna explained that our difference make use us special instead of holding we should proudly accept our sleeves. This textile also taught me to making mistake is normal. We should never be afraid to failure because every mistake help us learn and grow. If we believe in ourselves and work and we can achieve our goals. Personally, this talk inspired me to be more confident, speak with honesty, and always stay true to myself. It reminded me that I don't need to change who I am to make other happy. I should always believe in my abilities and continue improving every day. Overall, what make you special is a powerful and a motivational TEDx talk. Is recommend everyone to watch it because it teach self confidence, courage, and the importance of embarrassing your uncoins. TEDx. Thank you everyone for watching my review. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.